I'm gonna put it in his mouth and I can't see. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did catch that.
Yes.
Just had to throw in that last Almost looks like he wants to start up with that.
Yeah. It's like slash R.
Just see his eyes.
Yeah, he's still doing it.
It's almost like biting a lemon.
Yep. Ooh. She likes music.
You are a weird little kid.
Oh, that is so cute.
I like the way he dances though, that's really cute.
He has such a unique own little dance thing happening.
Playing and music, and that's all he needs.
Oh my god.
Goes to the beat of it.
Yep.
Well, you were like that when you were,
Oh my god.
when you were about a year or two.
Yeah?
Yeah, but you were Elvis fanatic, and I used to get really annoyed by that. Elvis comes on and you start acting up right away.
That's amazing.
Yeah, but I can't bath you, can't feed you, can't talk to you.
Oh my god.
I think he's gonna be the same way. See?
He loves rock. He definitely loves rock.
You probably like my corn then.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it. Probably because I was listening to a lot of music too when I was pregnant with him. I was really into my Nirvana when I was pregnant with him. Oh, it stopped.
Crappy tunes, that's why. Some kind of a crappy tune.
Yeah, I went all mellow.
See? Then he modifies how he's gonna... I've been watching him doing this for the last week now. He stops and he modifies himself to the music. Holding right on to it too, see?
I like how it just mellows them right out. Yep. Hey, baby. Do you have enough orange juice? Yeah. Oh! This is a big one. Burped.